What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today's video, we're gonna see if it's possible for me to solo camp in the back of my race car. So back here is where home is gonna be for the next 24 hours. And we gotta get comfortable. So let's get all the supplies and see how this goes. We got our cooking equipment here. Let's see if this is gonna be a really tight squeeze. Oh boy. Not to mention that it's 30 degrees out right now. Okay, we are on the way to find our camping spot, and the car sounds so noisy. Everything's packed up. We got our stuff in the back, we got our stuff in the front. You know, I was thinking about my hobbies are all over the place. Like, I can't be the only one that's into cars and also into camping and like off-road trucks, but also into like rallycross, but also into stance cars. Like, am I the only one that's into that? Like both of those stuff? Hopefully, you know, if you're watching this, you're into both, you know, like race car stuff and also off-roading and camping stuff, because that's kind of what I like, and I think, you know, why not do both? So that's what we're gonna be doing tonight, is figuring out if we can do both and if it's feasible to camp in the back of a race car. So we got all of our stuff ready to go. Now I just gotta find a spot to camp, and you guys can hear the car. There's one little spot that I just want to scope out. It's usually really beautiful. We're gonna see what that spot is all about. Look at that, look how beautiful that is. Wow. Check that out. Wow, that is beautiful. By my pebble test, this lake is frozen solid. Oh. Okay, it's getting dark now and I'm hungry, so we're gonna go hopefully the spot that we can camp out for tonight and cook up some burgers. All right, here we go. Get ready for takeoff. There we go. Okay, we're gonna do a little side mission. I don't have ketchup for my burger, so we gotta sneak into the Wawa, see if they don't catch us snagging some ketchup packets for free, even though they don't charge for them. Oh, we just barely made it. We got the ketchup. Heck yeah. Now we can go to our destination, eat some dinner, and take a nap. This guy's looking at me. Whenever someone's looking at you weird, you have two options. You either enter a staring contest, which usually ends up awkward for both parties, or you smile and nod your head politely, and that's a win-win because he smiles back at you, and if he doesn't, then you know that he's a threat and you simply take them out. That's all. All right, now let's actually get to our camping spot and start whipping up some dinner. Let's see if we can set up a decent spot here. Seems like a decent little spot. Catch the sunrise in the morning, right on the beach right there. People coming towards me, but we should be fine.
He goes, yo, is that the Pro Charge Z? And I'm like, no, I'm pretty sure that's either a Fiesta or a Focus.
Oh, nice. Yeah. A little bit different, yeah.
I'm not a car individual.
So this is gonna be home for the night. So let's start cooking some burgers. All right, let's butter up the pan. Drop this sucker on there. Woo! Let's see, hopefully I didn't burn it yet. It's only been a few minutes. Oh, it's looking good. I'm not really a chef master by any means, so hopefully this tastes good and doesn't go full hockey puck on me, so we'll see. Can't forget the ketchup. We worked hard to get this. Ooh, this is gonna be good. Careful. And sandwich that on there to make the perfect hamburger. Oh yeah, check this baby out. Ooh. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. Oh yeah. That's good burger. Look at this. We even got cars on the bottle, and we got all the national parks that I visited when I did a cross-country trip. I'm pretty proud of this bottle. I don't have every national park that we visited, but I do have a lot of them. Niagara Falls, Badlands, Zion National Park, Yellowstone, Yosemite, Mount Rushmore, Death Valley, Estes in Colorado. It's a pretty sweet bottle.
Thank you too. That was a lot of shopping. But this grocery store has a drive-up.
Hey, dinner was pretty stinking good, not gonna lie, better than I anticipated. So we're gonna pack this stuff up. We're gonna try to make a little bed situation in the back of the race car. Oh, yeah. All right, that should be good. This is an REI self-inflatable sleeping mat. Let's see if we can get this to fit. Let's see how this fits. Oh yes. Look at this baby. Fits like a glove. We got our stuff packed up next to us. That's all our blankets and sleeping bag for the night. We're gonna put our pillow right there. We're gonna be living the dream. Oh yeah, boys, let's go. We're gonna double up on these socks here. Honestly, it might get too warm tonight. I'm gonna double up on these. With the drippiest outfit ever, we're ready for bed. Okay, we're gonna test it out for the first time. Let's see how it actually, I heard noises in the woods. I'm gonna try to ignore that. So let's see how actually comfortable or non-comfortable this is. It's definitely small, that's for sure. Not that bad. It's actually not bad at all. Oh yeah, not bad. I think we should be good. Let's try to get some sleep now. See you guys in the morning. Freezing cold in here. It's like 2 in the morning. Can't really sleep, but I keep hearing noises outside, but hopefully I can get some more sleep, so I'm gonna try. Good night. Morning. Oh, I'm freezing. And I overslept a little bit, which I didn't think was actually possible, but I got a little warm. I meant to wake up at 5 for the sunrise, and we woke up at like 7:30. But it wasn't that bad. We still get to catch a little bit of the sunrise, so that's cool. I'm freezing. All right, let's go make some hot chocolate. I'm not sure why I put this thing, put this lid on so tight. Let's go. Whoa! Let's go. Probably enough for half a cup there. You just simply can't beat simple, easy cup of hot chocolate in the morning. Camping out of your race car, 30 degrees out. Life is pretty good. Perfect. Oh yeah. Alright, we just finished packing everything up. Thanks for hanging out with me. Remember to like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.